What's up? We're about to have a burping challenge. She's gonna burp first. By the way, it's a girl. Her name is Sarah Miles. Burp. Big whoop. Whoa! That was like a world record. Big whoop, she hums with it. Sorry. That was a really bad one.
Beauty.
Another one. Strikes alone. Here I go.
Beauty. Go into the screen.
My turn. Her last one, and then I'm gonna have my last one.
Your neck looks like a chicken.
I get to go get your
Your neck looks like a chicken.
Get out. Sorry, my bad. Do not do that.
You look like a chicken. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
See ya. I'm the winner. She's the loser. So,
I can see you next
time.